Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a demo account on Vantage. So right now we are here on our home screen, and first of all we go to accounts. Then right now you will see that we have one active account, and this is a standard account. Now we want to open a demo account. So what we're gonna do, we click on open account, demo account right there, select the recommended MetaTrader 5, then we do standard, select right here the currency, select here a leverage, and then we select a account balance, and now we do submit. And then right now your additional demo account has been set up and you will receive an email with your login details shortly. So right now we do I know, and if I select now demo accounts, here is our demo account. So this is exactly how this works. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.